It's the start of Welsh Farming Week.
From the rolling green fields of Powys to Cardiff Bay and the Senedd building, transformed for a few hours today into a farmyard.
Which was quite interesting, bringing them up the steps and getting them scanned through security. But this is all about how sustainable and the value that Welsh farming can give to society.
Wel yndi, mae rhaid i diwydiant amaeth weithio mewn ffordd, mewn cydsgor gyda'r Llywodraeth.
Politicians all need to come together and actually get behind food and farming policy.
Mae ffermwyr yn gallu dioddef braidd bod yn reit unig a mae'n bwyd reit caled, so mae'n bwysig iawn cael yr ochr cymdeithasol yma a dyna pan mae'n briliant cael y sioe yn ôl.
I thank you in advance for everything that you will do, that the NFU will do, to be at that table and to be shaping those decisions together.
Here is Claire Morgan from Haverfordwest, the 24th winner of this wonderful award.
I know every corner of this farm. I know the cuckoo that lives in this tree. I know the dragonflies that live over there. And I feel that I'm the best person to share the knowledge and information from this area.
Mae plannu 180,000 hectar o goed yn mynd gallu effeithio yn enfawr ag gefn gwlad.
The whole issue of the percentage of Welsh land that is destined to go under tree cover is a hot topic. For many farms, they will see the policy and they will already be there, won't be concerned, but it isn't, realistic for everybody.
Climate change is a huge issue, we've got to get that right, and we're determined to play our part with our net zero by 2040 aspirations. But planting large tracts of land and reducing our food producing capacity is not the way forward.
So we know that Bank of England has said that inflation is up about 10%. Actually, in agriculture, it's up about 25% and it's rising.
Now, we've worked diligently presenting the evidence to this case, the huge economic consequences of these regulations and the impact is on businesses for many years to come.
There's a real potential it could make it worse. They're bringing almost a stocking density into the whole regulation, which will mean I'll have to actually keep less cows, less young stock, so obviously my bottom line is going to be less, and that's a real worry.
We've been arguing this for a long, long time. And those discussions led to the announcement last week of a delay on that part of the regulations due to start on the 1st of January. That's a welcome change.
We have lost over 250 animals to TB in the last 5 years. It makes farming a battle, but the biggest battle is maintaining your mental health.
Credu bod politics unwaith eto wedi dod yn drech yn y dadl yn hytrach na edrych ar y broblem ar sail tystiolaeth a gwyddoniaeth.
Some breaking news tonight, and a bird flu prevention zone has been declared across Wales and the rest of Britain.
So how worried are you here that this may get on the farm?
If I got it now, there's a potential financial loss of 150,000 just for the birds.
On the farm here at the moment, the grass has stopped growing, so there's very little for our livestock to eat. This is why agriculture has farm support payments, to make sure that we can weather these storms.
With future policy coming through, it's young people that it's going to impact the most, so we really want to make sure that their views are captured.